Hey there, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a fantastic video about how to keep your skin hydrated all day in just 5 easy steps. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Start your day with a refreshing splash of water. It's important to hydrate your skin from the inside out, and what better way to do that than with a glass of water? Step 2. Apply a hydrating moisturizer. This is the perfect time to lock in that hydration. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it evenly. Step 3. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is crucial for maintaining a healthy glow. Step 4. Keep your skin hydrated throughout the day by sipping on water regularly. This will help your skin stay plump and hydrated. Step 5. End your day with a gentle cleanse and a moisturizing mask. This will help your skin recover from the day and prepare it for the next one. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy steps to keep your skin hydrated all day long. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.